Hello busy professionals. We all know how overwhelming it can be to balance work and personal life. So, in this video, we've compiled some genius time-saving tips to make your life easier. First off, let's talk about multitasking. While it sounds like a good idea, it's actually more time-consuming and can lead to errors in completing tasks. Instead, try batching similar tasks together and focusing on completing them one at a time. Another great hack is to prioritize your tasks and schedule them in your calendar. This way, you won't forget anything important and you'll be able to allocate your time more efficiently. Next, let's talk about email management. Instead of constantly checking your inbox throughout the day, schedule specific times to respond to emails. This will save you time and help you stay focused on your other tasks. When it comes to meetings, a great hack is to send out an agenda beforehand and stick to it during the meeting. This will help you stay on track and avoid wasting time on irrelevant topics. Now, let's talk about staying organized. A cluttered workspace can lead to distractions and wasted time. Take a few minutes at the end of each day to tidy up your desk and organize your files. Another great tip is to leverage technology. There are so many apps and tools available to help you automate tasks and streamline your processes. Take advantage of them. When you're feeling overwhelmed, take a break and clear your mind. Even a quick walk around the block or a few minutes of deep breathing exercises can help you feel recharged and ready to tackle the next task. Lastly, always remember to delegate tasks when possible. As a busy professional, you can't do everything yourself. Identify tasks that can be delegated to others and trust them to do a great job. With these time-saving hacks, you'll be able to better manage your workload and find more time in your day. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great tips and tricks.